All right. So, today we will talk about one of the remedies in Vedic astrology. So, according to my experience, this is one of the most significant remedy that anyone can do. So, the thing is, even though you have a very powerful chart, a very powerful kundli, but if you are living a life where you are destroying the karaka of various planets by your deeds, then you will ruin your chart and hence you will ruin your life. Meaning is, even though Mars is exalted in your chart, it will not bear good result if you start having bad relations with your siblings. Even though Venus is exalted in your Kundali, if you treat your wife badly, if you treat your in laws badly, you will surely get bad effects of Venus. Even though you have Jupiter exalted in your Kundali, very well placed in your chart, and if you start denigrating people like Jupiter, you will start humiliating Jupiter like people, like your teachers, your priests, wise people in your society. You will diminish the result of Jupiter. This is the way you destroy the Karakattvas in your Kundali. In that way, you will lose their significations. You will rule the benefits of their rulership. You can take the example of Ravana. The Kundali of Ravan is very much similar to that of Ram. Even in the Kundali of Ravan, you find that Sun is exalted, Saturn is exalted, Mars is there in Capricorn, exalted, Venus in the 12th house, exalted, Brahaspati in the 4th house, exalted with Moon, similar to Bhagavan Ram. But you see, the entirely opposite character has been born. A person with so much talent, so much knowledge, so much power, but still he destroyed his life because one by one he destroyed his Karakattvas. He has Mars in the 10th house of ruling, 10th house of position, of kingship, where Mars is exalted. He has his vast kingdom out of his bravery, out of his own effort. But the moment he started denigrating his siblings, his sibling Vibhishan, the moment he humiliated him, he disrespected him, he did not listen to him, his Karakatva of Mars started going down, and hence he started destroying his own career, his own life with it. He has Saturn exalted in the 7th house, but when he had bad eyes, lustful eyes on Sita, he started destroying the 7th house. So all these things denote that even though such a powerful Kundali, such a powerful chart like Ravana's, and we humans are nobody. We humans are nobody in front of these people. And see how beautifully, if you start living immoral life, you start destroying your chart. So when you see people coming with bad intentions in their life, you will sure to find that they have something, one or the other thing lacking in their life. This is only because of their own deeds. The most precious thing that they can correct is their own deeds. So, how the correction should be? In what area and how can you enable this correction? Okay, so like you say that somebody comes to you and he says that he is not having good relationship with his children, or he's not having he's not having any kids. So mainly area related to kids is he's suffering. Then you obviously know for kids the karaka is Jupiter. So the remedy that you should give should be related to Jupiter, but you have to take into account two things. That in order to strengthen the Karakatva, Karaka planet Jupiter, you have to take into account at in which sign Jupiter is placed, in which house Jupiter is placed, and you have to strengthen that house. Okay, for example, suppose Jupiter is placed in fourth house. So the Karaka of fourth house is Moon. So you have to strengthen Moon. You have to uh, you have to give him remedy to worship Devi. When he worships Devi, he activates his fourth house. And what is there in the fourth house? Jupiter. Okay. Another thing to be noted is one thing is about the Karaka. Okay. And other is the actual material result in this world. Okay. So Karaka is more like inspiration. Okay. With just the inspiration, you will not have anything to eat. You need something material, some materialistic. So to enable that material result to come up, you need to provide one more planet, and that is the lord of where the Karaka is. Okay, so now take the same example. Suppose Jupiter is there in the fourth house. So Karaka for fourth house, Moon, he has to worship to enhance the Karaka, Jupiter. Okay, and to get the result, to get the material result, he has to worship the Lord of Jupiter. Where that Jupiter is placed, Lord of that house, he has to propitiate, he has to enhance. So, if he is, let's say, Libra ascendant, then the fourth house Lord is going to be Saturn. So, he has to propitiate Saturn and he has to propitiate Moon. So, when these two planets are combined together, then the result related to kids will enhance. Best way is to combine the effect of these two planets together in such a way that even by propitiating a single deity, he can get the result of both the planets. So either you can tell him to do the mantra of Saturn, mantra of Moon, disjoint, or you can combine these two grahas together. So Saturn and Moon, when combined, it gives rise to Mahavidya Kali, because Kali is the Devi that has the power of mother also and Saturnine energy also. So Saturn and Moon together, it gives the indication of Mahakali. You can propitiate Mahakali to have kids. This is for the Libra ascendant person. Or this is a specific example. You can take example of any other, like suppose Jupiter is there in the first house. So who is the Karaka of first house? Sun. So if Jupiter is there in the first house and you see the problem with Jupiter, like the person is not making gains. Person is not making gains. Uh, that's a Jupiter problem. Okay, he's not able to attain more wealth. So if he enhances Jupiter, then his wealth will increase. Where is the Jupiter? Jupiter is there in the first house. So what do you do to enhance first house? You enhance the Karaka. Who is the Karaka? Sun. Okay. So first he has to propitiate Sun. Now look into the Lord where Jupiter is placed. So suppose it's a Virgo Lagna, Virgo ascendant. So who is the Lord of Virgo? It's Mercury. So now Mercury and Sun, these two energies you have to combine and make a deity and propitiate him to have a real materialistic result in this world. So Sun and Mercury, if you combine these two planets, you come to Bhagwan Ram, because Mercury is the Lord Vishnu. And when Lord Vishnu takes the avatar uh, with the energy of Sun, then Lord Ram is said to be the avatar of Vishnu with the energy of Sun, Suryavanshi. Okay. So this way, so this is the primary remedy that one should prescribe. Okay. Because when doing this, you are activating the first house, you are activating the house where Karaka is placed. So by doing this, the person will be inclined towards having more Jupiterian qualities. Okay, because somewhere he is not doing. He's you can say that he's doing something to destroy his karakatva. That's why that problem is occurring. Okay, so suppose his uh, uh, his health is not well. Okay, and you see that he is a Libra Lagna. His health is not good. So who is the Lord of Libra Lagna? Venus. So somewhere you see that he is not having good relations with his wife, or he is not having good relations with his in-laws. That will indirectly diminish the power of Venus. And what is the lordship of Venus? It is the Lagna. So that way, if you tell him to respect your wife, that will not happen because he has not been doing it. So what will make him do better for his wife? See where Venus is placed. Look at the Lord of that house. Look at the Karaka of that house. Suppose that Venus is placed in the 12th house. So who is the Karaka of 12th house? Saturn. Tell him to propitiate Saturn. If he propitiates Saturn, then his 12th house will improve. His 12th house improves, then the karakas that are placed in the 12th house, they will improve. Then he will start respecting his wife, he will start respecting his in-laws. When he starts respecting his in-laws and his wife, Venus will improve. When Venus improves, his longevity, 8th house, his own body, his physical health, that starts improving. Okay, so this is the whole chain of thing that happens when you once you start activating the karakas. Okay, this is a single most important thing that one should propitiate. Look at the area that you want to improve. Look at the area that you want to improve. If you are having bad relationship with your siblings, then you are destroying your Mars. If you're destroying your Mars, look at the houses that it rules. You are destroying those houses. As simple as that. If you are not respecting your father, you're destroying your ninth house. Suppose you have moon in the fifth house and you say that I'm not getting any job. How will you get the job? Nobody will recognize your capabilities because moon is in the fifth house and you are having bad relations with your mother. You are not respecting your mother. How will you have new job? Who will respect you? So that's all about it. Thank you.